The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through current Subaru Forester Wilderness with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo raised rail base rack system. So that's made up of the WingBar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length. Black is shown here, but silver is also available. And the Thule raised rail Evo foot pack. Locks are available as an additional accessory, not required, but if you want to add security to it, you can pick up a set of locks. The crossbars are adjustable along the length of the rails, and overall you have a dynamic carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed. So a really great system for rooftop tents, kayaks, cargo, pretty much you name it. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.